Community is everything for Kentuckians, and we're always finding new ways, big and small, to help make the lives of our friends and neighbors a little bit better. Here at the Kentucky Manufactured Housing Institute, we know that the dream of homeownership can often seem out of reach in our current climate, but that's where we come in. Made by the hardworking hands of fellow Kentuckians, our customizable, affordable, manufactured, and modular housing fits in seamlessly with your lifestyle and budget. Whether you need a prefab home for a growing family delivered to one of our amenity-rich manufactured housing communities, or want a personalized factory-built construction that fits in perfectly with your mountain views, we'll help make homeownership a reality. Because Kentuckians from Pikeville to Paducah know that community comes first, and we'll always build each other up. Let us help build a piece of the American dream for you to call home.